Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Summary: Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy is a book about improving time management and overcoming procrastination. The title comes from the idea that if you eat a frog, do the hardest task, first thing in the morning, the rest of your day will be easier. Tracy gives practical advice to help you get more done in less time and stop delaying important tasks. 1. Set clear goals. The first step to better time management is knowing what you want to achieve. Tracy advises setting specific and clear goals. When you know your goals, you can focus your energy on the right tasks. 2. Plan your day. Planning your day in advance is important. Tracy suggests making a to-do list with your tasks for the day. This will help you stay organized and avoid wasting time. 3. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are equally important. Tracy explains the 80-20 rule. 20% of your tasks give you 80% of your results. Focus on the most important tasks, also known as your frogs, and don't waste time on less important ones. 4. Do the hardest task. First, the Eat That Frog rule suggests doing the hardest and most important task first. This task is often the one you avoid, but once you complete it, you'll feel accomplished and have more energy for the rest of the day. Dear friends, if you're looking to grow, improve your English, and make your life better step by step, I warmly invite you to subscribe and join this journey with me. 5. Overcome procrastination. Procrastination happens when you delay doing something important. Tracy advises breaking big tasks into smaller steps. Taking the first step makes it easier to start and finish the task. 6. Use the ABCDE method. The ABCDE method helps you prioritize tasks. Write down your tasks and label them. A. Very important tasks you must do. B. Important tasks but not urgent. C. Nice to-do tasks. D. Tasks you can delegate to others. E. Tasks that can be eliminated. This method helps you focus on what matters most. 7. Practice the 1-3-5 rule. Tracy suggests simplifying your to-do list. Focus on 1 major task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 small tasks. By limiting your list, you reduce stress and focus on the most important tasks first. 8. Develop good habits. Successful people develop good habits that make them more productive. These habits include being organized, planning ahead, and focusing on the important tasks. Developing good habits will help you work more effectively over time. 9. Avoid distractions. Distractions can waste time and prevent you from finishing your tasks. Tracy recommends creating a focused work environment by turning off your phone, closing unnecessary computer tabs, and setting time limits for each task. This helps you stay on track. 10. Review and improve. At the end of each day, Tracy suggests reviewing what you've accomplished. Look at what worked well and what you can improve. This helps you stay focused on your long-term goals and become more productive every day. In summary, Eat That Frog teaches you how to manage your time better by setting clear goals, planning your day, and focusing on the most important tasks. By doing the hardest task first, avoiding procrastination, and developing good habits, you can get more done in less time. Tracy's advice will help you stay productive, reduce stress, and achieve your goals.